treasure. Everything's better when hanging out with Phoebe and Jay.
Hey, Phoebe and Jay.
Woo! Hey, hey,
Phoebe and
All right. Just gotta get in and put these groceries away.
Let's use the spinny door. Aww, it's jammed. We're stuck in the door? Again? Cousin Craig, please come help us get out. Our ice cream is melting and it's really loud in here.
I think it's loud in here because you're yelling, sweetie.
Oh, I think you're right.
Don't worry. I got y'all. Let me just look up how to fix this door. The Wi-Fi isn't working again. And the cell phone service isn't great. So I can't use the internet to look up how to fix this. But that's okay, because I have an idea. Come on.
Freedom! Woo-hoo-hoo! Thanks, guys!
You're welcome. But I'm no hero. I'm just a regular guy who saved the day.
All right, Mr. Hero. Can you keep an eye on these two while I put the groceries away?
I got you.
Hey, Grandma Annie, what's that?
Let me help you.
It's a community coin jar. When neighbors have spare change, they drop it in this jar. Over time, it fills up with money, and we use that money to buy something for the community.
A unicorn! A space shuttle!
A unicorn and a space shuttle are pretty fun, but we try to use the money to buy something that would help everybody in the towers.
Wait, we could buy better Wi-Fi so we can use the internet to learn how to fix the door. Or we can just use the money to fix the door.
Hold up, great suggestions, but let's talk about them later. Right now, it's time for the Song of the Week.
Hey, turn it up so we can hear what song everybody voted for.
Voted? What does that mean?
Voting is when everyone in a community says what they like best, or what they think should be done. Then, someone counts all the answers.
Those answers are called votes, and the thing with the most votes wins.
Voting is important. It's a way to let people know what we want.
Like when the class had to decide on what game to play. We voted.
Yep. And when everyone votes for who should be the president.
And this song got the most votes of this week. Uh-oh.
Ooh, I like this song. Grandma, can you add it to my music playlist Daddy helped me make?
Oh, I wish I could, baby, but the Wi-Fi ain't working again.
This is why we need better Wi-Fi. Nuh-uh. We need to fix the door.
Oh, yeah. Let me go work on that.
Actually, babies, it's not up to just you. We live in a big community, and everyone added money to the jar. So it's only fair to give everyone a chance to say what they want. That way, we can make the best decision for the most people.
Oh, like how you voted for Song of the Week. Phoebes, we can help everyone in the towers vote on what to buy. We can ask what they want to vote for and then tell Grandma. You're first. What's your vote?
I'm gonna vote for the Wi-Fi because then I could use the tablet down here at my desk.
Cousin Craig, what's your vote?
My vote is to fix the door so I can get out of here, please.
This is fun. Let's get more votes. Mr. Ellis, we need you to vote for how to spend the money in the community coin jar. We can get better Wi-Fi, or we can fix the spinny door.
You know, I got stuck in that door once and had to miss Sunday brunch. And when I finally got free, there was only one tater tot left. So I want to vote to fix that door.
Got it. Thanks for voting.
Bye now.
I vote for Wi-Fi, so I can teach an online French class in the community room. Does Houdini's vote count?
I vote for getting the door fixed.
Grandma, we got the votes from everyone in the towers. Here's what they voted for. Mr. Ellis voted for the door, I think. And Miss Jean voted for the door, too? Or was it Wi-Fi? Oh, no. We don't remember who voted for what. So we can't tell you how the community wants to spend the money.
You had a lot of votes to remember, huh? What can you do when you need to remember lots of things?
We can write them down.
Uh-huh, that's right. When people vote for things like Song of the Week or even the president, those votes get written down on something called a ballot. A ballot lists the things you're voting on and has a place for you to mark your vote. I saved the Song of the Week ballot. See? On this ballot, I can put a check mark next to the song I want to vote for. People could vote on this song, called The Sunny Slide, or this song, called The Funky Foot.
Oh, we can make a ballot on pieces of paper and give one to everyone. Yeah, then they can vote, and we can remember what they voted for. Neighbors can vote for getting Wi-Fi or for fixing the door.
So on the ballot, you can draw a picture of the Wi-Fi symbol, like the one you see on your tablet.
Okay, Grandma. Wi-Fi symbol to vote for Wi-Fi. And a checkbox for people to check if they want to vote for Wi-Fi. And for the door, I'll draw a picture of a door with a checkbox.
Good ideas. But if you give your ballots to lots of neighbors, that's a lot of paper to hold on to.
I know. We can put the ballots in here. A ballot box.
Now you're cooking with heat, girl.
We made these ballots so neighbors could vote, and this ballot box so we can keep all the votes safe. You can check off your vote on the ballot and then put it in this box. It's really pretty.
Great work, kiddos. Here's my vote.
Thanks, Dad. Now we have to go get everyone else's vote. Got it.
Ooh, so which got the most votes? Wi-Fi or door?
Let's open the ballot box. We need to count the votes.
But first, we need to sort the ballots into a Wi-Fi pile and a fix-the-door pile. Take a look at this ballot. Which choice was voted for on this one?
I see a check mark next to Wi-Fi, so this is a vote for Wi-Fi.
That's right, sugar.
This one has a check mark next to the door. So that means this vote is for the door.
Exactly right.
So one vote for Wi-Fi and one vote for the door. And this one is Wi-Fi again. So 1, 2 for Wi-Fi, and just one for the door. This is a lot to remember.
We can make it easier. Remember when we talked about sorting?
Sorting is when you put things that are the same in the same place.
That's my baby. Let's finish sorting these ballots into piles, and then we'll see which pile is bigger.
And the pile that's bigger will have more votes in it.
That's right.
We'll put the Wi-Fi votes here and the door votes here. Here's another vote for the Wi-Fi, so it goes in the Wi-Fi pile. And this is a vote for the door, so it goes in the door pile. And the last vote is for Wi-Fi. It goes in the Wi-Fi pile. All sorted.
Okay, so which pile is bigger? I gotta know.
Well, the one for the door comes up to here, but the one for the Wi-Fi comes all the way up to here. So that means more people voted for Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi won the vote.
It sure looks like it. But let's count so we know for certain.
I can help. 1, 2, 3. Wanna help me count, Cousin Craig?
Yeah! Of course, Phoebe.
Oh, thanks for making those ballots and getting those votes. Y'all are so good at helping this community.
So the door pile has 10 votes, but the Wi-Fi pile has 40 votes. It's official. We're getting Wi-Fi.
Here we go. Come on. Get low. Oh, hey.
Thanks for the Wi-Fi. I'm teaching online French class. So magnifique.
Oof. Little help?
Cousin Craig! Daddy's stuck!
Okay, no problem. With the new Wi-Fi, I can look up how to fix this door.
Thanks, Craig.
I got you, cuz. All thanks to the community vote.
We voted for Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi helped Craig fix the door too. I hope the next community vote is for ice cream.
I vote for that.
Phoebe and Jay is made possible in part by a Ready to Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, the Grable Foundation, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Find more of your PBS Kids friends on your local PBS station and the free PBS Kids video app. Also subscribe to the PBS Kids Prime Video channel.